I look forward, as I can only do, to what the future will be able to hold, and what will the new generations have a responsibility to attend to. I would hope that for each new generation, we would stand to answer the call of duty. For our lives are forked. Which path are we going to choose? Are we going to choose our duty as the citizens of a republic? Or are we going to choose our own inclination and to desire to serve only ourselves? This is the choice that must be made by each individual in our nation. And as a people, I will humbly say that we must be willing at times to sacrifice our private interests, our comforts for the sake of our duty. And the consciousness of having attempted to do all the good in your own power, the pleasure of finding your fellow citizens to be well satisfied with your conduct, that will doubtless be a compensation to you. But above all, the choice of performing our duty as citizens over our inclinations that are personal will benefit the common good of this country. And only then will it secure its future.